Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change uppercase to lowercase text in Google Sheets. So get it started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that change uppercase to lowercase. Now we can see. Now click with the text side option. Now from apply, now keyboard press from the equal option, then press on the lower, now for click, then select from the text. Now keyboard press from the enter. That is, now click for the OK. That is, then I show since uppercase to lowercase text is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.